The numbers of self-employed entrepreneurs and small business owners has grown exponentially since COVID. Michel Lush, founder of Replace Your University, wants to help guide those new entrepreneurs on the road to successful entrepreneurship, and he's here to talk more about that. Michel, welcome to ISF.
Good to see you. Thanks for having me.
Always wonderful to have you on the show. It's a great conversation. Financial futures of people and small businesses. What are we seeing as a big mistake right now amongst people who are concerned about their financial future?
Well, I think one, it starts with mindset. We are going to face some difficult times. They haven't come out yet and stated that we're in a recession, but we are actually in a recession. I think they will officially announce it in the next month or so. So we are going to face some difficult times. And if you don't have a strong mindset and really use failure and feedback as data to move forward in a different direction, then it's going to be more difficult for you. For those that have a strong mindset and more prepared, then they're going to take advantage of the oncoming recession.
Preparation is key, Michel. If you could give people one piece of advice as they worry about their financial future, be it their 401k or furthermore their employment, what would it be?
It's okay to be employed. We call those W-2 capitalists, and that's fine to be employed. But also, we talk a lot about inflation. And that's one of the biggest fears that Americans have right now is the I wouldn't say pending inflation, the current inflation, but also the future of inflation too. I don't think it's going to, really stagnate or come down anytime soon. There are ways to combat inflation. One of the things that we teach, one of the products that's probably our bread and butter is Replace Your Mortgage. And we save the average American $170,000 in interest payments to their mortgage. And yes, for those that are employed, work on a side hustle. That's another way to offset inflation too. And create a side hustle that's really a passion. That way it doesn't feel like work.
I love that, Michel. They say that if you do what you love, you're not really working. I love to hear that. Also, that's a healthy chunk of savings. If you make those shifts, right, and you arm yourself and you prepare yourself with the knowledge to be successful financially. For yourself, Michel, what is something you wish you would have done sooner in your own journey to success financially?
Oh my goodness, everything that I now know. But you can learn one of three ways: mistakes, mentors, or both. Unfortunately, I was number 3. So I did hire mentors, but I also still made mistakes. So those mistakes really groomed me to get to where I'm at now. And without those mistakes, yes, if I'd have found success at an early age, at the age of 22 or 23, I probably wouldn't have been a good steward of that success. But because I've had major setbacks in life financially, now that I see financial success for not only myself, but my clients, we're now good stewards of that success.
You know what? The gospel according to Michel Lush this Wednesday morning. I love it. Founder of Replace Your University, Michel Lush. You are a gem, man. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Carter. Appreciate it.